Well, hello. I am coming to you with an update. It's very squinty-eyed, and I'll tell you all about it. Okay, why am I so squinty-eyed? Because I ended up with brain surgery like just over a week ago. I ended up in the hospital already preparing for a colonoscopy and an endoscopy up at the NIH. Yes, I have stage 4 colon cancer. We've been fighting that for almost 2 years now. And I was up there to get that done and get back to my trial that I was on. And I was doing all the things and I was preparing, and then all of a sudden I didn't feel very good. And my husband is waiting in the waiting room with me, and I just lean over and I put my head like this and I say, I don't feel good. Not only did I not feel good, but I started getting double vision and a headache, and things just weren't right. And the doctor that was on call there at the time ordered an MRI immediately. He asked me to, please, let's look into this really fast. So that's what we did. And lo and behold, I have 2 mets of my cancer that have spread to my brain that were causing the lack of cerebral fluid drainage. You're seeing a pain patch there. I'm on a lot of stuff these days. And it was going to kill me if they did not remove at least one of them within 24 hours. Like, they didn't know how long this had been there. It had probably been there for a couple of months, but we don't know. And these were like perfect little circles, and I'll show you a picture. Here's the picture of these cancer mets that had moved into my brain. And honestly, I am a lucky girl right now. I am lucky to be alive. This is not one of my usual videos I would do on here, but I'm pushing it to talk about cancer because that's all I deal with these days. So I wanted to share that with you and let you know, and talk about what's next. So what's next is that I need to have brain radiation. Now, it won't be the whole brain, it'll just be certain spots that it needs to treat. Right now, you probably can't see it, but I have a headband of a scar basically underneath my hair going all the way over here. And yeah, that is healing, but within 30 days, I need to have radiation to go back in on that spot that they reduced to 50% with surgery, because it was connected to my main brain stem, and that needs to go and be stopped. They just couldn't get any closer because that would cause more issues. And then they need to treat another spot. I have 2. So we have had our eyes opened as to, again, what cancer can do, where it can spread, what it can cause, and it is not cool. The miracle is that I am still here. I know I just said that, but it's like, if I had not been in the waiting room waiting for other tests and treatment, if I had not been preparing for surgery, if I had not had doctors who had openings the following day for this particular surgery, like with my neurosurgeon, I wouldn't be here. Like, that is an amazing thing. And then coming home to Charlotte and finding out that I I'm getting some of the best doctors ever to do this next treatment. I don't know. I mean, I've been given about 6 months to live by my last doctor up at the NIH. I think God still wants me here, or he's showing me that, hey, I'm giving you the best of the best, and if that is not enough, then it's okay. Let go. I don't know. These are things I'm struggling with, and I'm sharing them with you and being very real because I think it's important to keep it real. Blinky. I should put my patch on. I have these glasses. Let me show you. They took my sunglasses, and this amazing OT therapist, occupational therapist, put tape over one side inside so that I can look straight even though I am not looking straight, because this is blocked off. I don't have double vision, so I don't have to be all blinky. Right now I still have double vision after the surgery. I had it before, I had it after. They think it could go away. It might go away. They can't guarantee it. We just don't know. So here's me with my sunglasses. It might be my new look. But I wanted to share that with you and let you know that I haven't gone away. I haven't disappeared. I'm just still fighting like crazy for my life.